The conventional understanding of human existence suggests that we are the masters of our own destinies, navigating a timeline where the past is fixed, the present is fleeting, and the future remains unwritten. However, a profound scientific perspective known as the causal universe theory challenges this foundational belief. Drawing upon the principles of general relativity and quantum mechanics, this hypothesis suggests that our lives are not a series of spontaneous choices but rather a collection of predetermined nodes within an intricate, invisible web of cause and effect. Under this framework, time is not a flowing river but a static four-dimensional block. Albert Einstein famously proposed that space and time are inseparable, forming the fabric of the cosmos. In this multidimensional view, every moment, from the birth of a star to your decision to read these words, exists simultaneously. The linear progression of time that humans perceive is described as a cognitive illusion, a biological tool developed by the brain to process change and organize sensory data. To visualize this concept, one might imagine the universe as a printed book. To an ant crawling across the pages, the story unfolds one word at a time, and the ending remains a mystery. However, from a perspective outside the book, every chapter and every sentence exists at once, from the first page to the last. In this cosmic manuscript, the ink is already dry. The events of tomorrow have already occurred in the higher dimensions of spacetime, we simply have not reached those pages yet. This theory leads to startling conclusions regarding free will and the nature of reality. It suggests that what we interpret as a choice is actually a necessary response dictated by a chain of prior causes. Every action is a result of a preceding trigger, creating a locked cycle of causality that leaves no room for deviation. Critics argue that such a view renders human effort meaningless, yet proponents suggest that while the trajectory may be fixed, the value lies in the conscious experience of the journey. While the idea of a predetermined universe may feel restrictive, the theory posits that humans hold a unique status as the only entities capable of observing and questioning this causal web. Our struggle, exploration, and curiosity are the very elements that give the cosmic structure its internal life. As science continues to peel back the layers of the universe, we are forced to confront the possibility that we are not the authors of our stories, but the dedicated witnesses to a masterpiece that was finished long before we began to read.